If you wanna get glam today, gotta be Liz Rich for sure.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making my client a dimensional brunette, so let's get started. Now because she doesn't have any pre-existing color, I'm able to use color to lift her hair rather than bleach. But I am, however, going to go back in with some lightener to give her some highlights. This color formula is 8M plus 30 volume, and we're going to apply that from her mid shaft to her ends. So remember, mid shaft to ends, and then later we apply the color to her roots. So after her highlights were completely lifted, I went in and shampooed her hair, and then I also toned her so everything looks more cohesive. Now because my client wants her hair more voluminous, I'm going in with my T3 curling iron, and this is a 1.5 inch. I'm also going to use my clips to set her curls so that her hair lasts longer. I did do a full tutorial on this, so feel free to check it out as well as my other videos on my YouTube channel. And I will link them below in the description box.
And the jailbird singing something about the way things used to be. Now I'm dancing on a wire like a cheap paper tiger, strumming on a heartstring stereo to a song that no one knows, and it goes like this. Hey, hey, yeah, said it goes like this. Say la vie, oh, don't ask me, 'cause it goes like this. Yeah. Ooh.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.